Okay, I'd like to give you a real quick tutorial of how to navigate the Classwork page in your assignments on Google Classroom. So if you open up Google Classroom, you get the stream. This always comes up first, okay? And I'll try and keep this pretty clean, so each day I'll delete the post from the day before, so you'll just see the new post, okay? So let's go into Classwork. So click on the Classwork at the top of your page, and it opens up this thing that has all your week 1 assignments, and they're divided by morning work, Bible, phonics, math, social studies and science, reader's workshop, and writer's workshop. You also have these actually 3 places at the top. This one says view your work, okay? And this shows you everything that you've done or not done. I like to use this on Noah's because it shows me what assignments he's turned in and what he hasn't. Okay, so that's a cool feature that you can use. Up here you also have Google Calendar. You can open that up. You can add anything to this that you want. It kind of shows you when the assignments are due, and because this is Noah's, it has his stuff that he has due from his 3rd grade class. I can exit out of that. And then the last feature up here is this class drive folder. If you look at this, this has all of our PDFs for any of the work that we're doing. So anything you want to access that is in our assignments, you'll be able to get to through here. Okay. Just wanted to show you those features. All right, so let's go into one of these and let's do math because Noah hasn't turned in any assignments for math, okay? So when I open it up, I can see at the bottom it has this thing that says view assignment. So I want to go in here. All right. Each class has a little description of what you're supposed to do, and then each day is divided by each day's work, okay? So for today, you were supposed to watch the longer or shorter video and then do pages 333 and 334 while watching the video. That's lesson 13.3. So you would click on the video, you'd watch it, and you do your math sheet. Okay, well, you're not actually going to have anything to turn in, but you have the option of just hitting turn in, and that will say all your stuff is turned in. I would wait till the end of the week when you've done everything, because you might still want to go in and access the ruler or something else. So until you've done everything for the week, I wouldn't worry about hitting that turn in. The other thing is when you hit turn in, it'll bring this up, and then you'll say, sure, I'm going to turn that in. Okay. Now, if for some reason you don't want to have that turned in, you also have the option to go back and hit unsubmit, and then it opens them back up in case you wanted to change something. Okay. So let's close out of math, and I'm going to open up something else instead to show you. All right, so closing out. Let's go into Writer's Workshop, okay? So Writer's Workshop is just an ongoing thing, and you don't really have any specific assignments in here. It's just you can get in your Writer's Workshop folder, and you can write, okay? So if you look over here on this side where it says Your Work, what you can do is you can mark as done at the end of the week, and that just lets you know that you've done your work, okay? So when I go back now, let me close out of Writer's Workshop. When I go up here and I hit view your work, now you can see that Noah has turned in his Writer's Workshop, he's turned in phonics, he's turned in his morning work, and he's turned in his Bible assignment, okay? So there's lots of cool ways to use that. Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense to you. Remember, if you have any questions, I'm here to answer your questions at any time.